Building a Shopify store isn't just about choosing a theme, it's about making sure your pages actually work on every device. Broken layouts, messy spacing, and mobile issues are exactly where most stores struggle. That's why Foxify comes with a powerful set of AI tools to help you design faster, fix responsiveness automatically, and build high-converting pages without coding or design skills. In this tutorial, you'll see how AI Layout Generator, AI Content Generation, AI Responsive work together to turn ideas into polished Shopify pages in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Let's start with the foundation of every Shopify page, layout structure. The AI Layout Generator helps you turn an idea into a complete, conversion-ready page layout in seconds. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, you simply describe the page you want, and Foxify's AI builds the structure for you. You can preview the recommended sections, regenerate the layout, remove sections, or click Apply to build the page and customize it using the drag-and-drop editor. Once your layout is ready, the next step is adding content. With AI Content Generation, Foxify helps you create conversion-focused text directly inside your sections, so you don't have to start from empty fields. You simply select a text element, like a heading or description, and click the magic right icon in the text toolbar. From there, Foxify lets you generate new content from scratch or improve existing text. You can rewrite, expand, shorten, fix grammar, adjust tone, or even translate content instantly. If needed, you can briefly describe what the text is about and set a word limit or tone to guide the AI. Foxify generates a suggestion for you to review. You can accept it to insert the text, generate another version, or fine-tune the result to better match your brand voice. This gives you ready-to-use content that helps you launch faster, while still keeping full control over the final result. Next, let's make sure your page looks great on every device. Responsiveness means your layout adapts correctly across desktops, tablets, and mobile screens. Without it, content can overlap, become unreadable, or fall outside the viewport. AI Responsive helps automate this process. You simply select the section you want to optimize and click AI Responsive. Foxify analyzes the section structure and automatically adjusts element positioning, spacing, alignment and layout behavior across screen sizes. Once you're happy with the result, apply the changes. AI Responsive works like a smart assistant. It doesn't replace manual edits, but it dramatically speeds up mobile and tablet optimization. That's it. In just a few minutes, you go from idea to a fully built, responsive, and visually refined Shopify page, all powered by Foxify's AI tools. By letting AI handle the heavy lifting, you can focus more on your brand, products, and conversions, and less on manual adjustments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Foxify tips and tutorials. Have a feature or topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.